Hello everyone! Today in the lesson we're going to talk about food. Let's get started. Fruit: pear, banana, avocado, apple, grapes, strawberry, lemon, watermelon, plum. Vegetables: potato, courgette, tomato, broccoli, corn, cucumber, celery, pepper, cabbage, asparagus, beans, radish, onion. Meat: lamb, pork, beef. Poultry: chicken, turkey, duck. Fish: salmon, tuna. Seafood: shrimp, mussel, octopus, crab, lobster. Dairy products: milk, cream, butter, cheese. Sweets: chocolate eggs, chocolates, chocolate bar, candies, lollipops. Bakery products: pie, bread, cake, cupcake, pancakes, biscuits, croissant. Fast food: pizza, burger, chips, sushi, hot dog. Grains: corn, oatmeal, wheat, rice, millet. Drinks: juice, fizzy drinks, tea, water, lemonade, smoothie, coffee. Pulses: chickpea, beans, lentils, pea, soy. Spices: what about you? What's your favorite food? Write in comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn English.